pattern and analysis. Subscribe my channel CA Hub. I will be coming up with more interesting videos for the upcoming examination. Now let us see the paper pattern. Question number 1A, which comes for 5 marks, which is corporate law. Here I will be telling you about the chapters which will be more expected to come in 1A. So it is basically the thing which I found from the past analysis. Now let's see the chapters which are expected to come. That is chapter 2, chapter 8, chapter 9. Question 1B, which is 5 marks, that is also a corporate law. That is chapter 3, chapter 4 and chapter 10. Question number 1C, which comes for 4 marks, it is a fixed question. So whichever the box that I made here, it is a fixed question. Every time the paper comes with 1C, which comes with FEMA only. So here also it comes with FEMA only. Question number 2A, which is for 5 marks. Again the chapters could be chapter 2 and chapter 4. And question 2B, which is for 5 marks, chapter 5, 6 and 7. Question number 2C, which comes for 4 marks. Here also it is a fixed question. The box which I made here, it is a fixed question. So it is General Clauses Act. Question number 3A, which is for 5 marks, that is chapter 2 and chapter 4. Question number 3B, that is for 5 marks, which comes for 5, 6 and 7th chapter. Question number 3C, which comes for 4 marks, that is interpretation of statutes. This is also a fixed question only. And now let us see the fourth question, that is question number 4, that is 4A, which comes for 5 marks. Here I am expecting the chapters could be chapter 8, chapter 9, chapter 10 and chapter 11. And question number 4B could be the 5 marks for LLP. So it is also LLP. Always the question number 4B, which comes for LLP only. And the question number 4C would be 4 marks, which is also an interpretation of statutes. And now let us see the question number 5. Question number 5A, which comes for 5 marks, that is chapter 9, chapter 7 and chapter 10. Question number 5B, which is for 5 marks, here also comes for LLP only. Question number 5C, which is 4 marks, that is General Clauses Act. It is a fixed question only. Here also it is a fixed question only. And question number 6, which is question number 6A, 5 marks for chapter 6, chapter 7 and chapter 8. And question number 6B is for 5 marks, which is chapter number 11. And also question number 6C, which comes for 4 marks, which is FEMA. So the box which I made from the very beginning to the question 6, it is the fixed question. So always question number 1C will be FEMA only. Always question number 2C will be GCA only. Same like that only, it will get repeated. Here I will tell you about some secret about it. Here every time you can predict the paper by this, that is question number 5 and question number 4, which is anyways be coming for LLP. It is here also the question comes for LLP, that is 5 marks from here and 5 marks from here, which is known to you, right? So 10 marks with this in your hand only. And next we will see, if you solve LLP, here another bumper offer, that is also question number 4C and 5C, which is IOS and GCA, right? So anyways you are doing IOS and GCA in order to solve these questions. So if you complete GCA as well as if you complete IOS, anyways you will be getting 4 marks, that is 8 marks question. So 8 marks also with your hand only. And now let us see the question number 1. Question number 1C always comes with FEMA. So anyways you are supposed to do FEMA, which is because it is a mandatory question, right? So it is a mandatory question, so you are all supposed to do the FEMA must. So once when you are doing your FEMA, the question number 6 also comes from FEMA only. So if you study for this question, you can attend for this question also. So here it comes for 4 marks and here it comes for 4 marks. Another 8 marks also it is in your hand. When I say question number 6B, it comes for chapter number 11 only. So chapter number 11 is called 5 marks. So 5 marks is also in your hands only. So the thing is, now let us see the calculation, that is 10 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5, which is for 31 marks. You would know the question paper pattern here. So the 31 marks of question paper is already known to you only. Okay. So LLP, chapter 11, GCA, IOS, FEMA. If you do this, you will be getting 31 marks over here itself. And then balance, if you ask me, ma'am, what to do for the corporate law, for the other question, like in order to attempt the 5 mark questions for the corporate law and all, what to do? I will tell you the analysis or I will tell you the strategy. Okay. this strategy is made up of like in order to solve your MCQs also. Here the deposits, right? Here the deposits, charges, dividends, companies incorporated outside India, General Class Act and FEMA, other than LLP. So these chapter covers 40 marks of the syllabus, and it might not be the 40% of the syllabus. Did you get my point? These chapters are the 40 marks of the question paper, and it might not be the 40% syllabus of your 40% syllabus of our CA Inter. So what I say is, it might not be 40%, but it gives you a 40 marks over here. And as well as LLP which we have seen here earlier also, that is 5 marks, which is for 10 marks. So 40 marks we had a guess plus 10 marks, that is totally 50 marks of guesses what we had already. So the question paper is known to you. There is no shocking surprise to you in the examination. So those 3 hours should be effective manner in order not to get shocked and all. So not to get surprised. The question paper is already known to you. That is up to 50 marks. ICA will already anyways be going to keep somewhere the questions to be tricky. But let us say for the 50 marks, you will be getting around 34 marks, right? 35 marks also you can't get it. You can get at least 35 marks, right? And also if you go for MCQ, in MCQ also you can easily get around 15 marks out of 30, right? So 35 plus 15, which is also anyways going to be 50 marks only. So this is the paper pattern and analysis that I followed. Basically I made up of the trend analysis of the ICA with the past examination. So do your best, and thanks for watching video. Bye.